Retrieval of data from the machine manual. This is the manual is one of the integral and necessary literary part that the operator has to know before handling and operating the machine. Means any machines when you are delivered by some party or some manufacturer, some industry, they are giving one manual along with the machine. How to operate, how to maintain everything. So the car category manual as the book as the similar machine as the manual as the. You have to refer it. Who is going to operate and who is going to repair it. And to ask for it will be provided by the true manufacturer along with the along with the supply of machine. Manual furnish all information about the machine like size of the machine, foundation and erection method. कश घालपाचें size कितली त्याची foundation जाय, कितली जागा जाय सगळं त्याचे mention केलें आसता. Okay. Then any safety procedure to follow, operating procedure and periodical maintenance required. So machine manual will also provide about the required power supply, safety precaution, grade of lubrication oil to be used. So as per the machine manual, we have to go for the oil. There's just a specific which type of oil you have to put. Okay. Power supply, kitna power that rated power, and how many kilowatts, kitna power that they mentioned kerasta. Safety precaution, kitna grade of lubrication oil. There is complete oil that mentioned. All things mentioned in the manual. Availability of suitable spare parts and detail of the dealer supplier has to be provided in the manual. I mean, if there is some spare required, there should be a availability of machine spare. Company otherwise, the use of the other parts will not suit and the machine will get damaged. This is one the part time learner. There is a genuine part. We have to follow manual if any problem defect arise during the operation of machine. The manual will also provide a brand and type of the tools that can be used, type period, life of the tools to be replaced, based on the use of periodical inspection to be carried. In general manual to provide information right from the starting of the machine, the operating method of machine and stopping of the machine in case of emergencies to stop the machine. Everything they have mentioned. Yes, I refer to study. If you are working in the maintenance department, means you have to be very familiar with your all machine. The manual there is no easy thing for you after you are getting passed out from this course also. When you work in the industry, there are also a lot of things you have to learn. You have to learn and you have to get the work. Get it done the work. And then you have to grow yourself also. You have to grow yourself. सगळं किती हिंगा असना हिंगा किती त्या प्रमाणे त्याची मॅन्युअल पण तू अंडरस्टँड करपाक ते मशिनरी रिपेअर करपाक तुमकां कळपाक हांव हिंग बसून तुमकां ते मशिनरी कांय समजना दिस इज वन जनरल टिपिकल टायप एज्युकेशन हेजे नंतर तुमी खंय कामां वयता पळय देर यू आर गोइंग टू बी एक्सपर्टायज एंड स्पेशलायज इन दॅट फील्ड मागीर ती कंपनी तुमकां त्या भशेन मशिनरी काम करपाक ती कंपनी मागीर तुमी सोडपाना दे वील कीप यू बिकॉज यू आर ट्रेन देर यू आर स्पेंड सो मेनी इयर ओवर देर आनी तुमकां सगळें नॉलेज खबर आहा सगळें आयडिया खबर आहा मागीर दुसरे हाडनात तुमकां दोत्ताय दुसऱ्यांनी म्हणल्यार परत तांकां शिकपा आनी टायम घालचो पडना preventive maintenance need. Why we have to do the preventive maintenance? So after routine maintenance, the return data of machine maintenance, manual maintenance schedules, and the last is why the need of preventive maintenance. This topic is already covered so far in the beginning. For the best to ask. So machine tools are high precision and has a sensitive and expensive. They must be handled and maintained carefully in order to give a good and long service. The basic function of maintenance department is to upkeep of machines and equipments in a good operation condition. Earlier, the maintenance of the equipment used to receive attention. When the equipment suffered some setback or breakdown as a result of some minor or major fault, such breakdown not only brought a serious production holdup, but also used to upset the production flow of industry where the other equipment also had to be stand idle. So these are all costs. If there's certain breakdown, because of one machine breakdown, other machine also get idea. Where the operator also get idea. There ultimately there is loss for the company. Because the machine burn or so this result in more caution approach to the maintenance of equipment. And this brought up the most scientific way of tackling the maintenance problem to the preventive. So, scientific way of tracking the problem of maintenance problem, that is called preventive maintenance. Best means you have to do the preventive maintenance. So preventive maintenance consists of few engineering activities which helps to maintain the machine tools in a good working order. The basic activity of preventive maintenance: first, periodic inspection of machine and equipment to uncover condition leading to production breakdown or harmful depreciation. The depreciation word means if once you bring the machine in the industry, after so many years of using, the depreciation means getting the value of the machine is going down. Here, right? Depreciation means periodic inspection machine, you have to inspect the machine equipment to uncover condition leading to the production rate. Breakdown to the uncovered is a cover because that related and breakdown. A damage or guard la more up to more percent and harmful for the depreciation. Upkeep upkeep of machine or equipment to avoid such conditions or to adjust, repair or replace them while they are still in the initial stage. किती बाळांना सुद्धा प्रॉब्लेम नोट झाला, you have to repair it in the initial stage only. मागीर लास्टार रावता म्हूण रावलेलो there will be a huge breakdown. एक समज नट बोल्ट लूज जाल्लो तेन्ना तूं टायट केलो नाल्यार तो लूज जावन हळू हळू उडून कितें जातलो सगळें मशीन उडोवन वयतलें मागीर there will be major damage. So lose asthma color, you have to tight it immediately. You have to take action that time only. Advantages of preventive maintenance: there is less downtime in production, improves quality of product, improves quantity and quality of product. Standby equipment is not needed, which saves the capital investment. What is my standby equipment? Standby equipment, Maria, any idea? Correct. Standby equipment is not needed, which saves the capital investment. Means suppose there is continuous one pump is running. Okay. The pump runs either. I think especially in the hydrate system, water hydrate system, cinema theater, there is a red pipe available. What is the red pipe? In a bank, बरोबर ऑर्डर तो ऑर्डर में गेल there will be a red pipeline. Okay, and a glass लेला असता. In case of fire, please break it when going असता. Okay, that is a fire hydrant system. Means the water is flowing continuously. Without asking pressure. कितने उजला लागलो. Even if you smoke, no, in some room, cold point on आपको smoke केलो, there are some smoke detectors after that. Still gas drill वाला ते detect किया, there will be fire alarm. And you have to run away from them. Fire alarm आके there the firefighter will come, they will break that glass. They hose drill असतं, ते hose drill घेतात, they are ready for the firefight. Be careful if you are smoking, you should alert. तुम्ही बरेले असता, मोबाईल smoke detector असतं. Smoke येईल की ते detect करताना best आवाज येतो. In big hotels and all. So this fire hydrant system is a utility type. There is one pump is there which is running continuously without any operator. Suppose the pressure get down, it start on. Pressure asala the band automatically. Same there is another pump pipeline that is called standby pump. If sometimes there is breakdown, they are start to run that pump. But if you do the preventive maintenance regularly, the unnecessary cost of that pump you can save it. Means you don't have to require spare pump oil. Spare pump are full assembly loss. Some industry, hotel industry, there is spare chiller. Each chiller, the cost of the chiller is very high. Sometimes, if you are maintaining all preventive maintenance properly, you don't require another spare chiller. Each chiller so chilled water chilled and sending the plant. Plant are helping with the help of that chilled water, you can cool the so many rooms. Every room has entrance cooling coil. The chilled water is getting flow, and that chilled water cools that coil up and that's some freezer. And there is there is a blower, air blower filter, and that air get blows over to the chilled water coil and the coil, the air will get cooled and enter in the room. But I'm such AC. Okay, actually it is start from the chiller. So don't chiller love put. If you put only one chiller, you can save the world. So understood, no? What is a standby pump, standby machine in equipment means? Whatever. Then lower unit cost of manufacture. You can lower down the cost of manufacture. Reduce the major and repetitive repair of machines. Reduce the major and repetitive repair of machines. Preventive maintenance help in prolonging the life of machines and reducing unexpected breakdown. This is very common. So if you do thoroughly the preventive maintenance, you can avoid lots of and breakdown time, and you can save the product. Hey! The function of the preventive maintenance department, the periodic inspection of machines and equipment as per the checklist. This is what major function of this means. You have to check the machine each and part as per the checklist. In a company, there will be checklist will be there. That mention what you have to check. Everything is mentioned. And next one, that lubrication of machine and equipment as per the manufacturer instruction manual means. And next one, the lubrication as per the machine supplier, they have given the manual. You have to the manual permanent lubrication. Periodic inspection of machine and equipment as per the checklist. Checklist for the inspector about all the points to be checked on the individual machine. While preparing the checklist, the machines make sure that no machine parts or the items that is omitted need attention. The inspection of machine tools like lathe, drilling machine includes the following. A common example, we have only lathe machine and drilling machine in our section. So, what should be the point you have to check? First is driving system and feeding system. Driving system again. What is the driving system of drilling machine and lathe machine? Drive what is the driver over there? Motor. No motor. The main prime mover is a motor over there. Motor If motor is not running, there is no driver. Driving system and feeding system. After motor, there is a belt, pulley, and a belt. After belt, there are gears, spindles. This is all driving system. Lubricating system and coolant system. Lathe machine, there is a coolant pump. So coolant flow. It is not there here, but it is there. And coolant system. Then slides and wedges and grips. The moving part of the taste of the slider of the belt, bearing, clutch, brake, and operating controls. These are all moving items. You have to be checked. Guide ways, lead screw, and their mating parts. After inspection of each item machines, the inspector has to make out the list of parts which need repair or spare for repair. Then note kon durpa jaye am galpa patla. O belt wear out dala galchu patla. You have to note down. And you have to give report to the higher authority. So higher authority will be arranged for such spares. So next time on Sunday, if there is no production going on, you can replace it in the preventive. Frequency of inspection. The frequency of inspection depends on the age, kind of machine, and its operating condition. Means after so many years, there is an age pass of the machine. There are some certain thing you have to check. As per the checklist they have provided. Frequent inspection of machines and equipment may be expensive, and frequency with long intervals may result in the more breakdown. So purpose be so open the there chance of breakdown. Because that time period is the time on inspection paper. Open paper. Purpose. A good balance is needed to bring a optimum saving. That's the maintenance record. Good morning, the problem with it. What is going on here? Class So Viraja or Paila? Don't have manners. Okay. So maintenance records, Annex 3, keep a detailed records of fault, failures, repairs, and replacement done for the machine. कितने घायल त्याचा record दवरपाक जाय. This is very most important in the industry. It is used to analyze, keep a detailed record of faults, failures, repairs, and replacement done for the machine. It is useful to analyze the cause of fault. It is useful to analyze the cause of fault and rectification. So always it is useful for analyze means what? The person who are there for the who are manager, maintenance manager, and who are the people know, they have to analyze, because the maintenance is a lot of money. Maintenance on the budget, they have a lot of burden. So maintenance routine can be analyzed. They have to analyze. Can be guideline, can be model. It's a waste of money. Per model like a loss. No? So they have to keep the every records. After 6 months, the mobile value. 3 million के बेड लगे loss कर गया. That will take, because there are some timing beds in the industry. They are very costly. एक बेडाचे price असतो 10,000 20,000.